Cash book and types of cash book. Let's understand what is the meaning of a cash book. Now, just like the name itself suggests, a cash book is a book which records cash transactions. Okay, so whatever receipts are there in respect of cash, and we know that what is the journal entry for receipts, because when cash comes in, the asset increases, so we debit cash account to XYZ, whosoever is the party. Okay, or any kind of a payment. Let's say you make a payment to XYZ, debit to cash. These payments can also be in respect of expenses, assets, and whatnot. So all these entries relating to the receipts and payment of cash are recorded in the cash book, right? But a cash book is not that simple, in the sense there can be three types of cash book which are there. One is called a simple cash book, right? The simple cash book simply takes into account cash transactions, right? The second type of cash book which is there is a two-column cash book. It's not difficult to guess what the other column will be. I gave you a hint in the previous video. One is obviously the cash. The second column takes into account the bank transactions, right? So what will happen is that it will have two columns instead of one, and one column will be for cash, the other one will be for bank. And the last one is a three-column cash book. Okay? Three-column cash book. This has three columns, one for cash, one for bank, and one is for discount, right? So in respect of any of the transaction, right, whatever is the discount given. Now discount is what? Discount is an expense, right? If it is given, so it is recorded on the debit side. Whereas any discount received is an income and it is recorded on the credit side. Would you want to have a look at the format of a cash book? Okay. Let me do it like this. I'll take up a question each on simple cash book, two-column cash book, and three-column cash book, and I will show you how they look like in the subsequent videos.